A disturbing event began on the 9th of June, near one of the most important Marian sanctuaries, with the subtle intention of presenting esotericism in a positive light. Exorcists warn, there is the danger of an extraordinary intervention by the evil one, a pitfall of exceptional spiritual danger. Few people know that for several years, since 2010 to be exact, Italian witches have been gathering. This also happens in times of resurgent paganism. They call it Strigarium, the Great Sabbath. What the organizers define on their social media pages as a cultural event takes place every year in the province of Bergamo. As if that weren't enough, for the 2023 edition, which took place from the 9th of June until the 11th of June, the choice of location fell on Cassirate Diado instead of the traditional resort of Costa Volpino. That is, a few kilometers from the sanctuary of the Madonna di Caravaggio, more precisely the sanctuary of Santa Maria del Fonte, the scene of the apparition of the Virgin to the young peasant girl Ginetta de Vacci in 1432, the most important Marian sanctuary in Lombardy. A change that greatly alarmed the Italian exorcists who, through the mouth of Father Francesco Beaumont, president of the IEA, the International Exorcists Association, raised the alarm, saying in an event like this, which involves families with children, to confuse the concept of good and evil in the very young, Father Beaumont told Corriere della Sera, an extraordinary intervention by the evil one cannot be ruled out. But Father Barmonte, in a comment released to the SER agency, warns against the attempt to ennoble witchcraft through events like this that propose esotericism in a positive key. Witchcraft, explains the exorcist, is presented, for example, under a fascinating aspect, almost as if it were a religion of nature and an emancipation of women. Festivals like these not only creep into the minds of families and younger people to confuse good and evil, they are also business opportunities for an army of occult practitioners. Indeed, the IEA president continues, the magic industry and market will not be missing at the meeting. We have no doubts that magicians, fortune tellers, mediums, witches will be present at the event, hunting for potential customers, but be careful not to reduce the issue to just a matter of profits. The real dangers are others, of a spiritual nature. We must remember that these practices are not just expedients for easy profits, concludes Father Beaumont. In fact, an extraordinary intervention of the evil one cannot be excluded, which will cause, even after some time, phenomena of vexation, obsession on people.